Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a chess game directly inside React.js using TypeScript. So this is actually the game that we are running directly inside the browser. So we have running it on localhost 3000. So this is actually the React project. This is each and every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. So I written this from scratch, each file. So I just wanted to share with you. So we are using the latest version of React, as you can see. And now inside the command line, I started this npm run start. So this started the local development server. So it's actually a chessboard game, UI clone. So if you need the source code of this, you can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. So after you purchase it, you will automatically get the source code from Google Drive. So you can actually make your move. You can play with two players at a time here. This is your white, and similarly you can play with the black here. So total turns it will keep track of. So as you make the actual interface, something looks like actual you are playing the chess game. So right here you can make your pieces move, and it's easy for you to customize it as well, add additional features as well. So it's actually a complete React project. Each and every component is customizable, so it's coded directly inside TypeScript, and it's easy for you to purchase a domain name and also deploy this application as well. So this is the build command. You can easily build out this project as well. So the interface, as you see, it directly resembles the actual chess game. It also has sound as well as you make the move. Let me turn on the volume so you can even hear the voice as well of the pieces that are moving. You can see that. So as you make the move, you will see that. So it's so as you can see how easy it is to play the game, the chess game. It's also responsive as well. So directly is responsive. It can look good on mobile, tablet, and desktop. So if you still face any issues after payment, you can contact me. I will definitely help you in running or deploying this project. I directly coded this in React.js. Each and every file I coded. So if you see each and every component, this is the chessboard component. This is their TypeScript CSS file. This is the tiles, referee. This is a chessboard, pawn, piece, position. Everything is coded from scratch. And for building this, we haven't used any third-party library. I built it from scratch here. So as you can see, we are just using the base React package. That's all. After that, I coded this UI from myself. So once you purchase it, you will know that how I coded this. It's easy for you to customize it as well. So as you can see, you take the piece here. So all the moves you can perform likewise that you do inside a normal chess game, all the things you can do. So it's also very easy for you to learn chess as well. If you want to learn chess, then this will be a perfect project for you to actually see how certain pieces move. So once you checkmate as well, it will actually tell you. It's also a very easy, good application to actually learn chess as well, how pieces move, what is checkmate, what is all. So now you can't, you need to move your king has only because it's in checkmate. So it's easy, you can see that. So the possibilities are endless. You can actually learn this. So you can just see here how easy it is to actually. So if you're interested in this application, guys, the link is given in the description. You can purchase this project, this React project, Each and every component is coded directly inside TypeScript. So if you're interested in this, you can purchase it. After you purchase it, all the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. So total turns it also keep track of 48. And if you want to deploy this as well, so these are the script sections, npm run build. So you will simply run this script to actually build out this complete project. It will It's just a static web application. It doesn't require any internet. So it doesn't have a backend. So directly runs in the browser. So it makes it easy for you to actually deploy this application as well. So definitely check this out. The link is given in the description.